Winter field day, we're on our way. It's warmed up. When I left the house it was 7 degrees, now it's all the way up to 12. So should be a nice warm day.
Trying to stay warm in an ice shack on a frozen hill, with a little propane heater, put your might to the test out here on Bible Hill. N1QC, having fun. CQ, 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 field day. This is N1QC, November 1, Quebec Charlie, calling CQ, winter field day, standing by, waiting for contacts, heating up the wave cycles, I'm heating up the air molecules, we're hot, we're bringing it through our antennas, we're bringing it through this thing over here with a wire and 100.
All right, here we are. N1OG, we're all set up for winter field day. It is 66 inside and 36 outside, so it's warmed up quite a bit since the 9-degree drive in this morning. But anyway, here we are, and we're getting set up, so we're going to get cranking on some contacts here shortly.
QRZ N78GP.
November 1, Quebec Charlie, N1QC.
Q Charlie 8 Uniform Hotel something.
Popular station, I
YHS, thank you. You're one Hotel Montana. Yourself, thank you very much. QRZ.
guess. November 1, Quebec Charlie, N1QC.
QC again.
Roger, thanks for picking me up. This is November 1, Quebec Charlie, N1QC. Please copy, we are 3 Oscar November Hotel, and I copy your 1 hotel in Montana.
QSL, you got the whole thing. Thank you very much, and I got yours.
All right, 73, and have a great field day.
Thanks for New Hampshire. QRZ N78GP.
That's what it is.
November 0, Quebec, Delta.
November 0, Quebec Delta. You're
It doesn't respond.
What am I? 1 Hotel
Let's
Montana.
fix this.
There it is.
All right, just to verify, I got you November 7. QRZ, Kilo 5 November.
November 1, Quebec Charlie.
November 1, Quebec Charlie, copy 3, Oscar Sierra Tango X-ray.
Roger, I copy the 3 Oscar Sierra Tango X-ray. Please copy 3 Oscar November Hotel.
QSL 73, good luck.
73, have a wonderful field day.
November.
Whiskey 4 India.
November 1, Quebec Charlie.
November 1, Quebec Charlie, 59.
Roger, you are 5-9 into New Hampshire.
Copy the 59 to New Hampshire. Thank you so much, my friend. Whiskey 4 India.
Field day. This is N1QC, November 1, Quebec Charlie, calling CQ, winter field day, standing by, waiting for contacts, heating up the wave cycles, I'm heating up the air molecules, we're hot, we're bringing it through our antennas, we're bringing it through this thing over here with a wire and 100 watts of power. CQ, 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 field day. This is N1QC, November 1, Quebec Charlie, calling CQ, winter field day, standing by, waiting.
CQ, CQ, CQ.
Winterfield Day, CQ Winterfield Day, CQ Winterfield Day. This is N1QC, November 1, Quebec Charlie, calling CQ Winterfield Day and listening.
Event time. November 1, Quebec, Charlie, out calling CQ Winterfield Day. We are standing by, chatting with contacts, transmitting from the sticks of New Hampshire, where winter is 'tis not most unbearable, not perpetual, dare I say, 'cause that's not possible.
And the next day,
CQ, CQ, CQ. Winterfield Day, CQ Winterfield Day, CQ Winterfield Day.
Day 2.
This is N1QC, November 1, Quebec Charlie, calling CQ Winterfield Day and listening.
November 1, Quebec Charlie. This is Whiskey Zero, Foxtrot Delta, W0FD.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Juliet Tango Tango.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Juliet Tango Tango. Kilo Foxtrot 0, Juliet Tango Tango. Thanks for coming back to the call. Please copy that we are 3 Oscar November Hotel.
QSL, this is Kilo Foxtrot 0, Juliet Tango Tango. Please copy, I am 1 Hotel, Charlie Oscar.
N1QC, having fun. CQ